Hello, this is Slow Weather coming at you live. So we're going to do a tire repair. I got a nail in my rear tire. Of course, I just bought this tire like 4 or 5 days ago, so it's only got a few hundred miles on it. Always get nails in my tire when they're brand new for some reason. So we're gonna do a plug repair of the tire. So the first step is to get this repair kit ready. So it comes with the tire plugs. It comes with the tool that files out the hole to make it bigger. It comes with the plug inserter, and it comes with the tire glue. So let's go ahead and do this. So you want to have this up on the kickstand so it's stable. So I have right here's the nail. So I'll pull that out. There it is. It's a little carpet tack. Give that to my assistant to throw in the trash. So then what you do is you take, you get one of these tire plugs, like that. You take the tire plug tool, you insert that in there. You do it halfway like that. When you plug it in, and so you put it in like that. And so when you plug it in, you don't want to twist it, you just want to put it in and pull it out. But before you do that, the key step is you make a bigger hole. Now, I did check the tire pressure is 0. So we will get the tire group ready. So here's the hole. Take this. You can hear the air coming out. So now there's a big hole in there. Hold that. Pull this out. Here, give me the goop. Put some goop on there. Okay, put into is a little bit sticking out. You don't want to twist it. And then you pull that out. Now you get a tire plug. So what you do is you let that sit. Get a rag. And then you need a razor blade. I'm going to trim that off. The one thing I forgot. Just take a flat razor. Then you just trim. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just trim that off, that piece. And there, you're all done, and that piece will wear down as the tire wears. So what you see, there's about that much left. So most of the tire plug is in there. So I've done this before, so on the Panagallis, so it works quite well. As long as the hole is not on the sidewall. So this was still on the tread, because there's steel belts in there. That's why it's hard to get this, and you got to punch through the steel belt, and then put the plug in. So last thing to do, of course, is to pressurize this to 36 psi. So I do have my air pump here. We will hold that, and we will check the pressure. $27. We're going to go to 36. So we'll check the pressure again. Okay, perfect. 36. Try it one more time. Okay, so once you get the pressure, just put this back on. And then this, there you go. You just repaired, you saved yourself $300. I just got the brand new tire. So don't be afraid to repair it. Motorcycle tire, I know they say you're not supposed to, but we're not out there racing on MotoGP, so I found it safe. I've done it on my Panigales before. All right, slow it out. Hope that helps.